Hey there friends, today I'm excited to share with you 3 amazing at-home tips that will help you grow your nails faster in just 3 days. Trust me, these tricks really work wonders. First up, nourish your nails by massaging organic coconut oil into them. This will provide the much needed nutrients and strength for faster growth. Next, let's focus on your diet. To help your nails grow faster, make sure to include more protein in your meals. It's a fantastic way to boost their growth and strength. Finally, create the perfect at-home treatment to improve nail health and promote growth by mixing equal parts of organic coconut oil and olive oil with a few drops of lavender essential oil. Massage this mixture into your cuticles before going to bed and cover them with gloves or socks overnight. You'll be amazed at the results. So there you have it, folks. Give these tips a try and let me know how they work for you. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.